To play with keyboard and mouse on PS5 Rainbow Six Siege, what you need to do is to search it up on Google first if it is allowed. And you will see on the AI overview that you can use keyboard and mouse with your PS5 and Rainbow Six Siege by connecting a compatible USB keyboard and mouse to your console, enabling remote play in PS5 settings, then using a third-party adapter like XIM matrix to translate your inputs on the game. Now let me show you on how are you going to do it. You can go ahead and watch tutorials on YouTube before you actually do it on your own. But here's how you're going to do it. Step 1. What you need to do is to plug in your keyboard and mouse using the USB keyboard that you have or adapter that you have. Afterwards, arrange the mouse settings, make sure the accessories is under USB mouse and start the game.